This is Thomas the Tank Engine Kiddie ride with 3 rides. Right, give me a minute, if you don't mind. Yeah. Remember Jolly Roger in 2006? Yeah. You're going to watch on, by the way, if anybody's wondering. I hear Pat playing the Town Red in the background. Get a scoop over there. The other one went over there was moving then. Oh, I love this song. This boy over there. No! Bobby Builder. If you say no one more time, then I'm going to say no, alright? There's some reason I've got a replay on it. I didn't expect that to happen, to be honest. Wait.
You have 2 rides available. Press the start button for both.
Second ride. Red line is going to have a trap mode. Yes, this is how it's face. Just getting very smarty there. See? Yeah, I love this ride. Yeah, this is the back of it, you can see. Before anyone asks this is going to start about 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. It's been knocking over there, but it's moving again. I'm not sure why, to be honest. Let's scoop over there. I'm gonna do pushman sounds. I'll try and do this in the quiet sometimes. Not today. I'm not saying until the end. That's why. God, the music just popped off there for a few seconds there. What the hell? Oh, she's gone on with chat mode. No. Now it's Jolly Roger Thomas the Tank Engine ride with 3 rides.